Today I will be presenting you with a presentation on a travel package to Germany. Some things to pack are a passport, comfortable shoes for walking, weather-appropriate clothing, personal toiletries, personal spending money, your electronics such as phone charger, camera. These are just some basic things that you want to pack. Of course, you're going to want more than that. Day one, you're going to depart from Detroit Metro Airport at 12:01 p.m. You'll spend the rest of your first day traveling to Munich and arriving the following day. There will be no layovers, just a 12-hour and 29-minute flight. On day two, you're going to arrive in Munich at 6:30 a.m. You'll grab your bags and head to Lido Motel to check in for the week. You will receive complimentary breakfast each morning. At 8:30 that morning, you will leave for a premium tour of Neuschwanstein Castle and Linderhof. The train ride will include snacks and drinks. On day three, you will depart the Munich train station at 8:40 a.m. for a day trip to Nuremberg. You will get a fully guided walking tour. You'll also get free admission into the Nazi Party rally grounds. This tour will take about 10 hours and it'll bring you back to Munich around 6:45 p.m. On day four, it'll be a little bit different. Instead of seeing the castles and beautiful scenery, you'll be taking a tour of Dachau concentration camp memorial site. You'll get more insight about World War II. You'll go on a guided tour of the compound and be educated about the concentration camp. You'll also pay the respects to the lives lost while visiting the memorials. On day five, you'll have your Salzburg and Lake District tour. You will leave for 8:30 a.m. for an 11-hour tour. You'll see the lower Bavarian Alps while traveling to Salzburg. You'll visit Salzburg and the sights from the Sound of Music. You'll visit St. Wolfgang and take a boat trip on Lake Wolfgang. And then you'll pass Lake Mondsee while traveling back to Munich. On day six, you will leave at 8:30 a.m. to start your full day tour. You will start to travel along the Romantic Road. You stop at Harburg Castle and continue to Rothenburg. Rothenburg is one of Europe's preserved medieval towns. You'll wander Rothenburg at your own leisure and be able to check out the famous year-round Christmas shop. And these are just some of the sights that you'll see. On day seven is when you leave to return home. You have a flight leaving Munich at 8:50 a.m. You'll spend the day traveling on the airplane and will arrive in Detroit at 4:34 p.m. And then with that, I also have the form letters. And then I have the cost breakdown that just shows you the daily expenses and a breakdown of the categories to see where your money is going. And then I have a brochure. And then included on the brochure is the conversion chart. And then I have an access file that has the tourists, the different tours, potential travelers, and then report on the potential travelers and tours. And then I also have my file with the labels, and then my poster. And that concludes this presentation. Thank you.